If I lost everything today, no capital, no fund accounts, no track record, and I had to start trading from zero in 2026, this is exactly what I would do. No shortcuts, no get rich quick nonsense, just a realistic plan that actually works in today's market. I've spent over 8 years trading. I've blown hundreds of accounts. I've passed also hundreds of challenges, and I've made millions and lost more than I'd like to admit early on. And if I had to restart right now, I would ignore 90% of what other traders are doing today. Now, before we get into it, if you're serious about trading and want to have a real trading foundation, I have created a free trading training. The link is in the description box. It's completely free. Now let me show you the exact path that I would follow if I had to start it all over again. The first thing I would do is stop thinking about income. Stop thinking about profits, payouts, and how much I need to make. Because chasing money is the fastest way to destroy consistency. If I'm starting from zero, my only goal is this one: becoming a trader who executes correctly, and that's it. Most traders fail because they treat trading like a financial problem. It's not. It's a behavioral problem. If you can't follow rules on a demo account, you won't follow them with real money. So I would start trading to build my habits the correct way and not to make money. Next thing I would do is I would just choose one single trading setup, not two, not 5 different ones, and not a setup that is depending on the market conditions. Just one single trading setup, and I wouldn't care if it's price action or breakouts or pullbacks, supply and demand, whatever, it doesn't matter. What matters is a repetition. I would backtest it, I would forward test it, and I would trade it the same way every single time. Most traders never master anything because they keep changing things. In 2026, simplicity beats anything else. Now this next part is critical and very important. If I'm starting from zero, I would risk less than my ego wants to risk. Why? Because risk is what controls psychology. Low risk actually means you have less emotion, better execution, and longer survival. The goal early in the journey is not to grow fast. The actual goal is not to die in the markets. Most traders don't blow their accounts because they're bad. They blow their accounts because they risk too much too early. I wouldn't make that mistake ever again. Next thing that I would do is I would journal every single trade that I take. Not just entries and exits, but why I took the trade, how I felt when I took the trade, and whether I followed the rules. Was the trade a clean setup or just a forced trade? Profitability is not found in the markets. It's found in your mistakes, and your journal will tell you when you overtrade, when you revenge trade, when you get greedy. Without trading data, you're just guessing, and guessing is just gambling. Next thing is, I would not really rush into prop firms. I would wait until my execution is consistent, my drawdowns are extremely controlled, and my rules are boring but effective. And only after that, I would use prop firms as capital and not an opportunity. Prop firms are not there to make you rich, they are there just to scale your discipline. If you treat them like a lottery ticket, they will take your money. If I had to start from zero, I would accept something most traders refuse to accept. This is a long-term game. I wouldn't aim to completely change my life and become a millionaire in 3 months. I would aim to build a skill that pays me for years to come. Because once you're consistent, money becomes a byproduct. But if you chase money first, consistency will never come. If you're starting from zero or you feel like you're constantly restarting, understand this. You're not behind, you're just focused on the wrong things. And if you want help building this properly, structure, execution, risk, and psychology, I have opened a few spots for my prop firm Blueprint. You can use the link in the description to check it out. There is no pressure, no hype, no fake results. Just honesty and my experience in the last 7 years trading. Now remember guys, the traders who win in 2026 won't be the fastest. They'll be the most patient in the markets. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.